What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? So today, me and my boyfriend over there, we're at Play Day, so we're celebrating our Carnival at Play Day. So hope you enjoy this vlog. So it's really cool and really awesome. I'm just waiting for the bathroom right now, so I'm just sitting here. Hi, this is my boyfriend right there watching the vlog. So I'm just having vlogs all day. That is the most sickest ride ever. Like, eventually I would definitely want to do on this ride. It's like, woo, it's spinning. And it's definitely the zipper up there. You'll see in a second. There's a beautiful moon up there. Look at that airplane. It's like flying near us. Oh my God, it's so incredible. Now it's going away. So me and my boyfriend are ready to go try to win me a prize or something at Flag Day. So we are just walking around and looking at all the stuff we're gonna show you guys. Like, look at this thing. Kids always win. That's so cool. Now it's like all of this. Alright, let's go for a walk, guys. I got so this is like really cool. And I'm gonna try to film them.
No, not the water duck.
How about the one with the balloons? It's really
Shooting
cool.
gallery, that's the one.
Shooting gallery, yeah. So he's really good at this. So he could try to win me one. And I was just on that ride to Zipper, and it's really awesome. And you know, I'm happy. So I'm gonna try to film him, try to win me a prize. I'm filming my boyfriend try to win me a prize. Oh, he didn't win. So he has a couple more tries until he gets to win. Oh, he won something! No, something else. So he won me something! I'm so happy right now. I'm sorry, I'm actually screaming. I was so good, you got it on camera.
2 shots and I win.
Yeah, right? 2 shots and he won.
Woo! Sticky hand, baby.
Oh, he won me something. I'm so happy. So we are away trying to do the hoops now. So let's see if he tries to win me something here. Let's see if he tries to win me something.
Okay, right?
He won me something before. This is a prize he won me.
I give it 3 shots.
You got 3 shots.
Yeah, but even if you don't make it, you still get the prize. I'll help you out. There's one.
Woo! Good job.
There's 2.
2. Okay.
Well, if you take that snake back and you play another $10 game, you guarantee anything on this wall up to 3.
Oh, no thanks.
You want to keep the snake?
Yeah. I like the 2 prizes I won.
Alright, let's go to
So
another
he's
game.
such a good boy. So we're going to another game. How about this game?
What? This isn't a game. No.
It's so cool. So he won me 2 prizes. I can't believe this is our first carnival and we won 2 prizes. Yes.
Yeah, let's play this one.
I'm not playing anything.
3 for 10.
3 for 10.
Let's go.
I'm gonna videotape you crying with me prize.
Alright, you can hit the very center of the star. You got 1 back, 1 for 5, 3 for 10.
Yeah, I only got 20. Can you give me 10 back?
Okay.
Alright,
We go.
the very center of the star. Look right here. See the the wind is completely in the white. This one right here is touching the black a little bit. It's not a wind. It's completely in the white, alright? You get 3 shots.
3 shots?
Yep. I'll do it.
Bye. Let's see if you try and win me a prize this time.
Damn, I missed. I got 3 shots though, right?
Yep, just 2 more.
So we...
Close, you can take a close look. Alright, so that's where you are. Try to follow.
Just a little down to the left.
Close. You just gotta use it in the black, so.
You have hit the black and then you win.
Just a little down to the left. So I'll get it. I'll get it.
You hit the black.
Let's see him shoot.
Oh yeah, I'm ready. Get close.
It's getting close. It's pretty good for him.
1 shot.
180. I'll get this. Get you a tiger skin on, right? Fuck yeah!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Damn, that's a
So yeah, my boyfriend just bought me 3 prizes in a row and I'm so excited. So I don't know what he's gonna pick me out for because I'm really happy. Oh my god, I don't know what he's gonna win me.
Look at that space right there.
Because he's so nice to me. Oh my god!
So I can give you anything down here.
Down here?
Yeah.
Alright, whatever. What do you want?
Zebra!
We got a winner!
Yes! We want vlogging right now, so we won 3 prizes and I can't even carry them because my boyfriend's nice enough to win me 3 prizes. And he's so awesome at these games, right baby? Yeah, so we're on our way just to walk around and we're just gonna have so much fun.
You see that? You see that?
Yes!
I'm like drunk. Not
Yeah.
my ass. I hit that bullseye.
I'm drunk right now myself, so I'm gonna put these in my bag, and we're just gonna meet up, and we're just gonna probably go on a few rides and stuff. Oh my god, and he actually won. He got it in the summer. I'm so proud of you, baby. I really am.
Thank you.
We're at the carnival right now, so
I won you 3 prizes,
3
right?
prizes. Yeah, legit. I'm so happy right now, you guys. You cannot believe it. So,
Look at this zebra.
what vlog?
Cute, right?
Yeah, yeah, so
Cute
cute.
zebra.
Yes. So we're at the carnival and like videotaping. We are on our way down to meet up with our neighbors because we won 3 prizes. I am so excited.
3 prizes, right?
Yeah. We just saw fireworks up in the sky, and I'm going to vlog the fireworks, definitely.
Coffee.
Like, check me
I
out.
think I might hit up that coffee shop, right?
So he's gonna get some coffee so we could be like less tired because we're in a better mood right now. So yeah.
Watch out.
We'll watch out with the little kids walking. So this is like the place.
Like the good size. Because those are licensed pieces. I
I got 3 shots?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Big winner. High five. Thanks for playing, guys.
You're
Have a
welcome.
nice night.
You too. Oh my god, he won Maddie something. I'm so happy he won us something. The fireworks! Awesome. There, right there.
It's Larry.
What'd you get? Cupcakes.
I don't know, me and Adrian ate them.
Larry, look, she won a cupcake.
Now be quiet.
Larry.
You want a fried dough? I'm gonna go get fried dough.
Give me water too.
Yeah.
Thank you. This must be a firework. Hey, Ellen. Michael. Yeah.
down.